Most people think that key knowledge, skills, and abilities, the KSA system, disappeared years ago. But the truth is, it never left. It simply moved. Today's new KSA system is alive and well on LinkedIn. And if you're not building it there, you're falling behind in the federal hiring process. Today's video is fully for those federal applicants getting that foot in the door, because LinkedIn just became one of the most powerful tools you can use under the new two-page rule. Let's start with the biggest truth that nobody is saying. The federal government is hiring faster with less written narratives on the resume than ever before. Within the OPM two-page modernization rule, HR specialists are reviewing resumes for speed, clarity, and direct alignment with the job posting. So where do they look for the rest of the story? Where do they look for the intangibles? Your communication skills, your leadership qualities, your professional presentation, your credibility. They look at your LinkedIn. Now, I've already told you in the security clearance, they look at everything. Well, they're looking at LinkedIn for sure. But if you've not heard of the OPM two-page rule, check out my playlist, which it says just that, OPM two-page rule 2025. Start there. According to a 2024 LinkedIn workforce report, 67% of recruiters, including federal contractors, review your LinkedIn profile before final hiring decisions are made. And federal HR specialists directly confirm this. LinkedIn helps them understand your knowledge, skills, and abilities, KSA, without requiring any additional paperwork. They got to get it from somewhere. Now, in the olden days, back when I was a young GS1, the KSA system, you could write in your federal resume pages upon pages upon pages of knowledge, skills, expertise, impact, but not anymore. Now, LinkedIn performs those same functions for you, and only if you set it up correctly. Yep, you best believe I'm going to show you how. Here's how each part of the LinkedIn connects with the KSA expectation. Skills. LinkedIn skills section. Add 15 to 25 targeted skills directly into the job announcement. Federal HR uses keyword scanning, and LinkedIn is part of that online footprint. Your About section should read like a strong elevator pitch. Who are you? What problems do you solve? What mission do you support? What results have you achieved? Then I want you to add LinkedIn learning courses. Yes, use them. They're fantastic. I want you to add certificates, military training, FEMA or DoD coursework, or GEMS. They all count as knowledge. Next up, the ability section. That's your feature section. That's where all your proof is going in. This is where most people fail. The featured area is where your ability is demonstrated. Upload a short video explaining how you solve problems, a project you've created, a policy memo you've drafted, a digital design, a leadership example, a volunteer project outcome. Next section, the results. The experience section, quantified. Federal hiring under the new rule loves numbers, loves it. Say you process 800 claims per month, that you supported 3,200 customers annually, that you've led 12 soldiers or managed 40,000 in inventory. You publish 14 training videos. Your LinkedIn, when done correctly, will show results, and HR will see it instantly, those KSAs. Now I'm asking you, if you're seeing results in watching my video, if you're helped in any way, be sure to stay connected. Hit like, subscribe. It helps my channel grow.